how to delete your Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome back to our Wix tutorial series. Today we are going to be talking about how to delete a website on Wix. If you have created a website on Wix but no longer need it or want to start over, then this tutorial will show you how to safely and permanently delete your website. So let's get started. So the first step is to log into your Wix account. Go to wix.com and enter your email address and password to access your dashboard. And once you have logged in, this is our dashboard, and on our left go to websites, and then you will be brought to my sites of Wix, and after that choose the site that you want to delete and click on the three dots over here and move to trash. Read the warning message carefully and make sure you understand that deleting your website is a permanent action and cannot be undone. If you are sure, then click on move to trash. And now our website has been moved to trash. Now if I go to trash, here is my website that I have deleted, and it will be here for the 90 days. And if I want to delete prior the 90 days, then I'll just click on these three dots again and remove sites. And if you change your mind and want to restore the site, then you can do that from, and when you click on remove site and remove, then this website will no longer be accessible and all its data will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a website on Wix. Remember, deleting your website is a permanent action, so make sure you are sure before you proceed. Hope you guys find this helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.